Hey, wine fanatics. It's Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on what is new in membership this week. So, first up, everything is going to be at the top of the page if you'd like to find this quickly in this new category here. Warren Winiarski, we got an interview with him. Warren's probably one of the most famous winemakers in Napa's history. He was the winemaker at Stag's Leap Wine Cellars when they took out the top red wine at the Judgment of Paris in 1976. He's been making delicious wine for decades and decades. He's still really hands-on, so he knows what's happening in the vineyard. So we actually filmed this with Monica Bielka-Vescovi in the vineyard, and she talked to Warren about what was happening in the vines and what he's looking for. You can sort of see here the buds are really starting to almost ready to burst, and so it was really a great time to be in the vineyard and to talk about what was about to happen. Beyond that, though, Monica did some great interviews with him on, the history of Napa and his role in helping shape what it's become. So, of course, Warren did beat the top winemakers in Bordeaux. So we've also got some great content about Bordeaux as well this week. So first up, we had an interview with Jane Anson. Now, Jane is probably the most informed person on Bordeaux, possibly in the world. And so her insights are really valuable. Peter Marks, MW, interviewed her. He's always got great questions. And so they spoke a little bit about the history, about the business, in Bordeaux, but also about the connections that California has with Bordeaux, and what the two regions have really learned from each other, particularly in the last 50 years or so. So really great interview there. Finally, we have a webinar given to by Jesse Becker, MS. And it's all about selling Bordeaux. So if you're a som, if you're someone in retail or distribution, who deals in Bordeaux, this is really great because it covers everything you really need to know, all the important facts, as well as what's new in Bordeaux as well. But if you just need a refresher or you're interested in Bordeaux, this is also great for you as well. Really entertaining webinar, really well informed. If you're not a member yet, might I suggest you jump over here to the membership page where you can check out a little bit more on what membership is all about, and also become a member if you want to. Have a great week, everyone.